G'day, Ruben Ramsey from McClay Industries out at Kenilworth today, pouring a large house slab. It's probably about 400 square metres, and we started concrete on site at 6:30, had to come from the sunny coast, so about 50 to 60 minutes of travel time, and yeah, about 6 hours later it's all in. So they used E5 internal cure in this slab. The concreter, it's one of his good mates who they're pouring the slab for, and he'd just come off a job about 10,000 square metres where we used E5, and he got virtually no cracking out of a 100mm slab during summer in Gympie. So he said to his mate, if you want an excellent finish with very limited risk of cracking, add the E5 in, which they've done. And yeah, again, just talking to the concreters, they just can't believe how much of an improvement it gives. The guy there on the right on was just telling me before that he said we've just done another 6 weeks of concrete without E5, and he said it's just hard work all the time. And he said this is just so much easier to place and finish. So if you want to improve the quality, the consistency, and the outcome for your customers, consider using E5 internal cure in your concrete. I'd love you to reach out to us. You can contact us either via the social that this is posted, or at info@mcclay.au. That's info@mcclay.au. Thanks for watching.